Hey guys, it's me again. So I'll be making shampoo slime with this bowl, and a mixing tool I'll use this bowl. So let's get started. So first I'll be adding my what is it called? The south kit. So I'm just gonna pour it first. So I'm mixing it, and now you're gonna put your salt. And now freeze up for 20 minutes. Guys, it's been 20 minutes, so this is how it looks like. It's still really shampooing things. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cold. But yeah. It became slime. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe it. Oopsies. So here is the slime. I'm going to show you more about it. Sorry guys, this always happens. Oh my gosh. You can see the slime. So it's pokeable too. It don't stick, oh no. It don't stick, so it's pretty cool about it. So I'm gonna show you off the cover. This is how it looks like. It's stretchy. This is like real slime. I recommend you get the Soft Kids shampoo. Mine is 3-in-1, so yeah. I recommend you get the 3-in-1 one and not the 2-in-1 one, because they don't really work. 3-in-1 is just nice, so this is one of my favorite ingredients if you don't know. And if you want more like shampoo slime stuff, I don't know, whatever, just comment down below and I'll do it for you if you want. And if this video gets to 10 likes, I'll do a head and shoulder shampoo slime thing. So yeah, and also I'll leave me and my sister YouTube channel we just created. Links will be down below. That is called Mario Twins. Yeah, and you got YouTube channel? So she doesn't have her own.
Yeah, I have.
What? So I'm gonna leave her channel also down below. And bye.